Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see if someone reposted your TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can go to the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see your different videos here. In my case, I can post it only one video, so I can select this video, and after selecting the video you can just select the video that you want to see that others repost your TikTok. You can just simply see the option more insights at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it you can see the option views, likes, comments, share or save. Here you can see the numbers of share. Here you cannot see the repost shares name on TikTok. You can just only know that how many times that your TikTok video is shared. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.